you first. Uy! Tayo ng money. Philippine peso? Money, thank you. Okay, yung nakuha kong money is 200 lang. But if magkulang, I think I'm gonna use my credit card. So, 200 is 10,000 pesos. I'm gonna try to make cash up at 10K for 4 days. And I think it's doable if walang shopping. So, I'm not sure. Yung tour. Happy birthday, Yani.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
May current setup ng room. Sobrang gulo. Sasakay tayo ng bus papuntang Bugis, I think. I'm not sure. Ganda, wala-wala na tayo. Pero makeup is still. Then, going down MRT station. Nalampasan ko kasi iba yung pina-follow kong babae. But anyway, we're down here. So we just have to look for it. So medyo nawawala na naman tayo. Favorite duo is back.
Hello!
Matchy pa tayo. Brown, brown. Okay, so now we're going to Merlion. Artehan natin. Ay, may flowers.
Diba?
Ang ganda. Parang ang mahal. Okay.
Oh, dyan ka pala.
Kanin ka. Cabbage. Aura. Okay, so pupunta tayo ng Gardens by the Bay kasi super init sa Merlion. Lalakad lang tayo.
Gardens by the Bay.
Oh, andyan ka pala! Now here at Gardens by the Bay. Whoa! Okay, tapos na tayo mag-picture and now we're headed to the Flower Dome and what's the other one? The forest thing. Pasok na tayo sa bahay ni Kuya. Ay! So, nga na doon sa kabila. Ay, lamig. Sarap.
Ang dugyot.
From scoop, yan. Kayo may lahat, ah. Oh my God! Maganda nila natin. Wow!
Dapat dyan ka, oh.
On the way to observation deck, makeup. 4 hours na, I think, or more. So far, maganda pa din siya. Nagpapawisan lang ako kasi mainit. But yeah. Ghost. How much? Ito may F1. So we got roasted chicken rice from a little hawker center sa Cannes.
It was the exact same day as my travel. I'm actually in Singapore right now. So,
Day lunch, lalabas kami at maghahanap ng
Snackies.
AKA lalaki. Hindi! Coach. 7-Eleven. Tapos, pumain nakita tayong food. Punta tayo dun. Time check. 10:26. So 43 minutes yung travel time going to USS. And
Round off mo ng 1 hour.
Round
Kasi
off to
we're
1
going to
hour.
grab some snacks.
yes, so I think mga 11 na kami makadating doon.
Wala ka na kung pauwi.
NIST stands for the and how does
This is
NIST
us
go
before
about its mission?
the Transformers ride.
This is us after the Transformers ride. Oh my god. Ang ganda. I know niya. Same. Really fun. Must ride.
This is us before the mommy ride.
This is us after the mommy ride. Ilang grade?
10 over 10.
10 over 10. That's beautiful. 8 over 10.
Done with our Pilates. First time mag-reformer. Grabe, ang lala. Here, I can't. But I'm definitely doing that again, probably in Philippines now. But so far, so good. Another day in Singapore. This is our third day and wala tayong masyadong agenda today. Pupunta lang tayo sa probably Haji Lane and Ruby Street. Eating it? I guess we are. But anyway, take a moment to appreciate my makeup, my hair, my outfit. Sobrang ganda na parang huy! And this is our last day in Singapore also kasi we'll be going home later, mga around 1 a.m. 1 a.m. yung flight, pero mga 7 pupunta na kami ng airport kasi may agenda pa kami doon, which is Pokemon Center. So, tara! Let's go! On the way to ride the bus. So, ang bus na sasakyan natin is bus number 2. Diyan tayo sasakay sa tapat again. And then it should go down directly na Ruby Street. And then from there, we'll just walk to Haji Lane. We got pork duck rice. And it only costs $4.50, which is roughly about 200 pesos. Sobrang init. Pupunta tayong Haji Lane, guys, and then probably after uwi na tayo. So I cannot take the heat anymore. Nakapag-picture na tayo, nakabili na tayo ng keychain, nakabili na tayo ng... Wala to sa plano pero walang ganun sa Pilipinas. So why not? And it's only two for $15, so not so bad. Ito muna tayo kasi sobrang init. I cannot. Wala pa more. Pero surprisingly, ano siya, presko siya. I got it from the TikTok shop for 300 pesos. Ito yung brick wall ah. I think we're all set. Uwi na tayo. Medyo papagastos na tayo so much. Kaya we have to go home. It's so cute here. If you want to do like photo booths, cute anik-aniks if you're collecting them, go here. Price range, lowest for the photo booth is $10 for 2 strips, which is not so bad naman. And it's nice, the studios are nice. There are a bunch of studios here that you can choose from. Going home na.
Alam ko.
May Pokemon Center pa tayo.
Pokemon
so,
Center.
hindi pa tayo mag-vlog.
Masaya ako na umalis.
Definitely buying this one. Ang cute! They're in a great chance. Adventures na naman. Saan tayo pupunta?
Sir!
Trying to look for Terminal 4.
The bus.
Hala, ang dami niya energy. Porkit nakabili siya ng Pokemon. Cheers. Okay, finally found the bus going to Bicol. Every 5 minutes yung palit ng bus. So, and it's free. 804, row 3. Done with check-in. Now we're going to immigration and then probably eat.